Good day, guys. Coordinating meetings, times, or gathering team feedback doesn't have to be a mess of back and forth emails. Using the built-in poll feature in Microsoft Outlook, you can get definitive answers from your colleagues in seconds. Here's exactly how to set one up and track the result step by step. So first, open Outlook and start a new email message or reply to an existing one. Look at the top ribbon and select the Insert tab. This is where all your specialized content tools are located, including the voting features you'll need for this tutorial. Once in the Insert tab, look for the Scheduling Poll or Poll icon. Clicking this will open a dedicated sidebar on the right side of your screen. This tool uses Microsoft Forms to create a clean, interactive voting experience directly inside the body of your message. In the sidebar, type your main question at the top. Below that, enter your options, like different meeting times or project names. If you need more than two choices, click Add Option. You can also toggle the multiple answers switch if you want recipients to pick more than one favorite. Then when your questions look good, click Next and insert poll into email. Outlook will automatically generate a professional poll card within your message. Now just add your recipients and a subject line as you normally would, and then hit Send. And then to see who has voted, you don't need to count manual replies, and you just go to your Sent items folder, open the email, and click View Results. You can see a real-time tally of exactly which option is winning and who still needs to respond. And just like that, you've turned a long email chain into a simple one-click vote. If this Outlook poll trick saved you from a 50 email thread nightmare, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're always the most efficient person in the office. Stick around for more Tech Made Easy. I'll see you in the next one.